The automotive industry has seen a lot of changes in recent years. More and more workers are being replaced by robots on the assembly line. And it isn't just cars and trucks coming off the line anymore. Today's Hot Wheels are sport utility vehicles and vans. At the car body shop, workers begin by creating the steel husk for a van. It's made up of the radiator support, the life support, and clips on the sides for the bumper structure. This front structure is put onto the assembly line, where it's time for the hands of fate to go to work. The hands of fate are large automaton hands that have existed for centuries. Originally designed in the 1600s by Dr. Otto Octavius, these hands use an electron motor to effortlessly craft the steel body, including welding the pieces, shaping the steel, and communicating in a language that humans have yet to decipher. The hands of fate go by many names in many languages, but they are always unbiased, and will assemble a car regardless of what empire it heralds from. Now the hands are tasked with welding the front end structure to the rest of the vehicle. This is the same process the hands used to assemble horses in the 17th century. No part of the automobile escapes the hand's grasp. This side panel is made of one full sheet of aluminum. One of the hands punches holes in the side panel, so the finished car will have added speed. A transfer device moves the panel further down the factory line. Usually, the amount of casualties caused by the operation of the transfer device is very low. Usually. As you can see, the car is finished, and the optional side panels are installed for customers who request them. The car body is shipped to another factory 400 miles away, where the trunk, hood, and doors are installed by sloppy, clumsy humans. An inspector is sure to write the date of the future driver's death on the outside of the car. The driver will never see this, since it will be painted over. The engine's assembly is done at another factory on the other side of the globe. This process is so simple, we won't even bother showing you it. Many other parts of the van are now assembled, such as the, I'm not good with cars, the spark plugs, the turbocharger, the oil's gotta go somewhere, doesn't it? All of these pieces are installed from the underneath, all these pieces are installed underneath the body because, oh god, why didn't I take notes? I didn't know there'd be a pop quiz today. I only need a 70 to keep my B in this class, but if I can bump it up to an A, I get a Nintendo Switch for my birthday, and... ah, shit, I don't know. The seats arrive ready-made from an old Soviet country that no longer exists. An automated machine attaches the tires to the rim, which are then attached by workers. Some people will intentionally modify their cars to have slanted tires. We call these people douchebags. The car is now ready to stand on its own four wheels, and can be given its inaugural test drive. Pablo here just got his license back after a fatal DUI. Look at him go. He'll be back on the streets in no time.